What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. In this video we're taking a look at the new Nokia 7.1. Although they're not really calling it 7.1, it's just a Nokia 7, but I'm guessing they're going to use this naming structure in the future, perhaps 0.2, 0.3 and so on. It's the latest in HMD Global's Nokia Android One portfolio, and it offers enough to make it hard to believe that it will only cost you around £299 in the UK to buy the base model, or just across Europe you got €319 for the 3GB 32GB combination, or €349 for the 4GB 64GB. Taking a look at the design, you get glass back, a dual-anodised aluminium diamond cut coloured edges, and a die-cast metal centre, so it's quite strong, it feels solid in hand, and actually nice to hold as well. On the back, you get a dual camera setup with flash and a fingerprint sensor. Flip it around and you get a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus 19:9 aspect ratio display. That's also the first to feature a PureDisplay screen technology for HDR content. And now that YouTube supports HDR videos, for example, you'll be able to enjoy those high quality content on this smartphone. You can really enjoy your viewing experience there as well in terms of immersion. It just looks really nice. The colors looks amazing. Contrast looks good. Non-HDR content will also get upscaled for richer colors, contrast and sharpness as well. So if you watch standard definition content, you'll be able to upscale that really quickly on the fly, real time as well. Nokia also mentioned that this technology will also make it very easy to view in bright sunshine. This is something I'll put to test when I get one in for review. This is something I really care about, especially when you travel on holiday and there's sunshine and so on. Under the hood, you get Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 mobile platform processor in there. It's optimized for graphics and battery efficiency. And depending on which variant you go for, you can get up to 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage to really put stuff on there, and maybe you'll run faster when playing games, for example. The Nokia 7 also supports fast charging via its USB-C ports, allowing up to 50% charge in 30 minutes, which is pretty good. You got Android One, which means you'll get 3 years of monthly security patches and 2 years of system updates as well, so standard operating system updates. The Nokia 7 offers a pure Android experience and is ready for Android 9 software update when you get it out of the box as well. For camera, there's a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual setup with two-phase detection as well. HDR photography is there, both the depth detection for live bokeh effect and electronic image stabilization for stable shots and videos. As per usual, you can live stream to Facebook and YouTube direct from the camera app too, something we've become accustomed to with Nokia smartphones now. Overall, for its price tag, I think this really does stand out and offer a big bang for your buck. It's smooth with pure Android experience. I actually think this is the next or closest thing you will get to an actual Google Pixel phone. It feels and looks premium and packs a decent camera and HDR display, all in this £299 package. It's really impressive. Anyway guys, do let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to find out more, do drop in the comments as well. Ask me questions. I'll be on Twitter at GadgetsBoy. In the meantime, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.